The suspicion of the Pharisees is fanned into hatred when they notice the popularity of Jesus among the crowd. As men and women of faith, we often feel caught in tensions like those faced by Jesus himself. Our life is a pilgrimage whose destiny lies beyond the horizons of this earth, in those heavenly places where Jesus has already gone, behind the veil. We are asked to achieve what is beyond our unaided human ability. Each of us is a strange mixture of bonding with Jesus and embarrassment at his demands, or even at times just plain tedium about all religion. While close to our relatives and neighbors, yet we know deep in our heart the seeds of jealousy or resentment that still lie hidden. It is helpful to recognize the tensions inherent in the life of faith. By faith, we accept as real what we cannot prove nor see. We not only accept but even risk our all on the conviction that the goal of life lies beyond the present earthly existence. By faith, we are challenged not to succumb to what is often taken for granted in order to survive on earth. Must I presume that people are liars, that they are always hiding half the truth from me and using me for their own advantage? Faith directs us to a glimpse of Jesus, our high priest, undefiled, separated from sinners, higher than the heavens. Faith insists that our enthusiasm for the goodness of Jesus is not flimsy as the clouds racing across the sky. The enthusiasm of the crowds for Jesus is not a passing excitement. It is an echo of heaven, where people from all nations unite in turning with love and loyalty and gratitude to Jesus. Tension and conflict bring about a deeper understanding of our complex lives, even a mature wisdom. The scriptures advise us to look carefully. What we think is real may only be a passing shadow. What we think is strong and effective, like King Saul, may only destroy itself. What we think is just the blind excitement of the crowd may be voicing the deepest everlasting instincts of faith. One day we will be with Jesus, behind the veil, and like Jesus, we will be holy, innocent, undefiled, separated from sinners, higher than the heavens. Jesus, our God made human, functions always as our priest, so that our human nature may be made like God's. Jesus is our pledge that this will truly happen when all the tensions of our life will be resolved, that we continue to trust God with our lives. Let's pray for this grace for one another.